So this is the front entranceway, and over here looks like a common area for relaxing, drinks, service. The friendly staff, as always. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
And this is the lobby where you would check in. Amigo, buenos dias. Thank you. And my man Marvin. This is my amigo Marvin.
Hola, hola.
One of the many friendly staff members here. We're going to go for a little ride. He's going to take us up to that church up there. And then we'll take a ride down to where Jeannie and I are staying. Many beautiful cactuses and flower arrangements up here. Yes. Beautiful water. We're gonna go up to this church and take a quick look. What can you tell me about this church?
This church,
Yes.
we opened this church like 9 months ago. We make a message every Sunday.
Right.
Alright? It's not too big, but it's really nice. It's so pretty inside.
You almost need a mule to get up this trail.
Something, you want to take a look inside?
Oh, we could take a quick look inside. Why not? While you turn around? Sure. Let's take a quick look. If for nothing else, we're going to get an awesome view here. As you might imagine, it's absolutely death if you went into any of the water around here. It's the undertow and current's so enormous. All right, let's see if we can't get in here real quick. He says it's open. I don't want to waste too much time here. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Peaceful, quiet, and tranquil. Okay, let's take a quick walk down here.
Got it?
Got it. Now Marvin's gonna give us a little, give us a ride down to where Jeannie and I are staying and drop us off. And as always, we're taking you along. Isn't that right, Marvin?
Yes.
Pretty low, and we are not worried at all about the C-19 right now because everybody's careful and the place takes the pandemic very, very seriously. The resort does, so we're very, very comfortable here.
You want to turn around?
Yes, please. I can't thank you enough. I really appreciate the tour. So here's a little update. The room we got, once again, it kind of smelled. It was on the first floor and it was right outside the pool, so there was zero privacy. And at that point, we felt we'd have to keep the shades the whole time closed because people could certainly look in and see what's going on. So that kind of sucked. So Jeannie did her thing, went back to the front desk and requested a new room up on the top floor. And we had to wait one day, but she actually got it. So we're gonna go take a look at it right now. I think she's in there. And we'll see how she did. 4154. And here we are. Very nice kitchen. And we all know that's the bathroom. Let's see. Nice walk-in shower, very European style. What do you got here? Separate bathroom with a door, always nice. And then right here, look who it is. It's my lovely wife who sources everything well. Check this out. Bathtub right here, and then a window that opens up to the bedroom. Kind of cool. Full kitchen. Let's see. So it's two queens, but that's okay. That's not a deal breaker. And beautiful little place to sit. So far, do you like it?
Yes, I do.
Let's go outside and see what we got.
That's the best part.
Is it? So we have our 4th floor balcony here. And here's the view. Very nice. Pool right in front. And kind of like you guys saw a little bit of this earlier. And just to give you a little perspective where that ping pong table is, our other room was like right there. It sucked, but we are now golden.